In this video, we look at two special keywords, break and continue. They let you steer what happens inside a loop beyond just counting up or down. Break is like pulling an emergency stop. The loop ends right there. Continue is softer. It says skip this one item and move on to the next. Both keywords only act on the loop. They are directly inside. Picture scanning a shopping list. Finding a sold-out item makes you stop altogether, break. Skipping something already in your fridge means you move on to the next item, continue. Here is our program. We have one list of numbers from 1 to 10 and we will run two separate loops on it, one showing break and one showing continue. In the first loop, each number is checked. The moment n is equal to 5, break is hit and the loop exits completely. Numbers 5 through 10 never print. In the second loop, if n is evenly divisible by 2, meaning it is even, continue skips the print statement and jumps straight to the next number. Only odd numbers get printed. Run it and you see the break demo prints only 1 through 4. The loop never reached 5. The continue demo prints only the odd numbers because every even number was skipped over. The key difference, break ends the loop entirely, while continue only skips one turn and the loop carries on. Mixing them up is the most common beginner mistake with these two keywords. To recap, use break when you want to stop a loop the moment you find what you need. Use continue when you want to skip certain items but keep looping. And remember, they only touch the loop they are directly inside.